Hey everyone, in this video, you will learn how to connect your Crypto.com app account to your Crypto.com Onchain Wallet. So, step number 1 is to launch the application. And on the home screen, tap here, then connect to your Crypto.com app account. Now next is to select your preferred wallet before tapping to connect. Step number 2 is to enter your registered Crypto.com app email. Then tap here and then they will send you an email with a confirmation link. So simply just follow the instructions, then enter your Crypto.com app passcode setup. Now step number 3 is to verify with your passkey and follow the instruction to continue. Now if you do not have a passkey or if verification fails, you can also connect using your 2FA code and just tap on continue if you don't have a passkey or 2FA code. So tap on setup and now launch the Crypto.com app to create one. So whichever method you use, simply tap on authorize connection and you're done. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!